Ski with JB, Baby Bam, Fly and Lotus. Jazz scavenger hunts for stunts with blunt narratives. Play the cards right, putting jokers in ace bandages, burning the characters in brown packages, biodegradable examiners. Take a whip of the parameters. K9 ain't nothing but the dog in me. My rhymes will run on sentence without apostrophes. It's just a job to me. She caught a moment in time with her photography. I like to rock out with my sock out in a comedy. I'm looking at society consciously. See a whole lot of homogeny. She wanna ride bass while she easy rock with me. Play the rock camp while she do the biz mark.
Alright, so I finished the door. We have the two panels here. It was trickier than I thought. I didn't realize that I have to cut some pieces to get what I wanted, but it functions, so check it out. Okay, we're inside the GeoDome now, and I'm going to close the door. There's the bottom part. There's the top part. That's alright. Yeah, so there you go. It's all closed up. Pretty easy. Two little panels. Now to show you the parts that I had to cut out, you can see that there's this part I had to cut out with my handsaw. Some stuff down here in the corner. It's because when the door panel turns, it rubs against the rest of the stuff. So that's the unfortunate part I didn't want to have to deal with, but oh well. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is the GeoDome. So now, next step is to basically move this whole dome probably like 10 feet that way. Sorry, that's not the next step. The real next step is to build a rocket mass heater and then put in the GeoDome over it. Yeah, so that's the next step, but I'm glad at least I can close this door without having to slave away at it, because it really was a challenge. Now it's pretty easy.